Guys, let's talk about the awesome news from EICMA 2024. Honda unveiled a prototype V3 engine with an electric supercharger, and it's a global sensation. The general manager of Honda's motorcycle business unit has confirmed that they've been conducting tests, and the results are in. And the latest info shows that the V3R trademark has been filed in the UK. The V3 alone looks interesting, but the really exciting news is that Japanese automotive magazine Young Machine predicts that the arrival of Honda's V3 engine by combining an item called Honda's e-Turbo. Minoru Kato, general manager of Honda's motorcycle and power products business unit, commented on the commercialization of the motorcycle, saying, "We are positioning it as a new challenge in the field of internal combustion engines, and we aim to make people feel more joy in riding and owning a motorcycle." There is no doubt that this can be considered a clear statement of commercialization. In fact, Honda has reportedly filed for the V3R trademark in the UK. While the details are still a mystery, with everything from displacement to output still a speculation, the excitement is palpable. Since the unveiling of the V3 at EICMA 2024, the buzz surrounding this motorcycle has only intensified. It's not yet clear if it will be a sports bike or a tourer, but one thing is certain: it's going to be a game changer in the world of motorcycles. We are thrilled to present the 2025 Honda RC-V3R. According to Japanese automotive magazine Young Machine, they even tried to render how a motorbike with a V3 engine and an e-turbo would look like, calling it the RC-V3R. The bike inherited the classic livery with the HRC signature red, white, and blue colors synonymous with the 1983 NS 500R. The racing number 3 on the front fairing, reminiscent of the bike used by Freddie Spencer. An aerodynamic fairing with a minimalist recessed headlight, similar to the style of MotoGP race bikes, as well as a small aerodynamic winglet on the front fairing to increase downforce. The tubular chassis reveals an open frame design, reminiscent of 1980s racing bikes. The front suspension uses gold-colored upside-down forks, while the rear suspension uses a monoshock. The dual exhausts are placed on the right side with a classic two-stroke racing bike-style design. The bike uses Bridgestone slick tires designed for racing tracks. Dual front disc brakes with Brembo calipers and large-diameter discs. Once again, unfortunately, this is just speculation from Japanese auto magazine Young Machine.